Country Chevrolet, back at it again with another walk. Today we're looking at a 2020 Chevy Equinox. Set in white. This is an LT model, all-wheel drive. It does have remote start and hands-free tailgate. Now these Equinoxes, they have a nice amount of cargo space. This is Summit White. You do have a panoramic sunroof in this model. Go ahead and finish turning it on. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. USB port is down there for that. Heated seats. Dual climate control. Got some safety features over here. Got your cruise control, got your adaptive cruise control, your lane to keep assist, collision alert. Again, this is at Country Chevrolet. We're located at Benton, Kentucky. My name is Corey. I'm the internet manager. You can reach me at 270-703-8633. We also have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Well, all of our products are listed on Facebook and Instagram. Those will be linked down in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching.